The greatest surprise, according to iPhone 15 reports, is that they seem to be the most open standard iPhones ever released. These include an exclusive Pro Max periscope camera and new action button functions. The iPhone 15 models will all feature quick 15-watt wireless charging utilizing the Qi to Open standard, according to a recent leak by Charger Lab, a power expert website with a stellar track record. If true, this is a significant U-turn for Apple, which has previously restricted open wireless charging standards to 7.5 watt. When combined with the iPhone 15 series adoption of USB-C cable charging, this is entirely new ground for Apple's devices. Apple will not embrace USB-C until December 2024, mostly due to EU regulations. Therefore, Apple could have released the iPhone 15 and iPhone 16 with Lightning, but instead, the company is proactive in switching to USB-C 2 generations earlier than necessary. Additionally, iOS 17 is anticipated to support side-loading of applications via third-party app stores. The European Union once again put pressure on Apple to open the App Store. German source agrees with display expert Ross Young, who is always right on the money, a person who claimed this week that Apple will raise the screens on the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max to 6.3 inches and 6.9 inches, respectively. Unknowns 21, a well-known leaker for Anonymous who has routinely delivered precise information for the previous two iPhone generations, also supported this. There is already a lot of speculation regarding Apple's motivations for increasing their 2024 iPhones before the 2023 models have even been released. One plausible technical reason is that, owing to the 6.1-inch iPhone 15 Pro space restrictions, Apple will only include a periscope optical zoom lens on the larger iPhone 16 Pro next year, as indicated by several leaks. Given Apple's effort to make its iPhone Pro versions precisely feature match, it makes a lot of sense that competitors' periscope sporting smartphones are all bigger variants, like the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.